Kajing pemla banlek bah, deki samla ke Jylla Meghalaya ha ke eksamen UPSC Civil Service. Kelalong ke Bakia Mynsiem shibun labun senementa. But i DGP bedang shusha tung temai i bedairu ihe IPS ikong ida shisha Nongrang. Ila kintu iki samla bekin rai kut bat yaine ha ke jengbut jeng perkat jongki. Da ka bapin inuksai ke Jylla Manipur ke padang dona padang ke jengye snam ikong Nongrang ila kedau banaki shi pongut ki bela pas ya kene ke eksamen na Manipur sawut ki dei bela pule bat pin kre yala de hanong ba shelong ki samla ki don kam ban so tho kat no don kam ban tre shitom ban persang kat la kat yai ban pin kre na ka benta kene ke eksamen.
Civil services is concerned, it's become much more competitive over the years. It was quite different 30 years back when I started with civil services. It's very different now. The competition has increased much more. Our youth need to realize that they have to, if it's something that you really want, you really have to struggle for it. It's not that there have been umpteen number of whether IPS or IAS officers from the state who have qualified before. The examination pattern has not changed very much. But the number of people contesting, the competition for it, yes, has increased. So commensurate with that, the amount of effort that is required will have to be much more than what has gone before.